Good morning, children. So, now today we are back again with the topic Our Friends, Plants, Part 2. So, what are we going to learn in today's session? In today's session, we will learn about trees, climbers, creepers, and we will revise types of plants with examples. So, let's start. So, now, children, we will study about trees. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Here, children, you can see the picture of banyan tree, neem tree, peepal tree, and mango tree. So, a tree has a strong main woody stem called a trunk. You can see here, children, a main woody stem. The four main parts of a tree are the roots, the trunk, the branches, and the leaves. The leaves of a tree are green most of the time, but they can come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Here you can see, children, different shapes, sizes, and colors of the leaves. The leaves take in sunlight and use water and food from the roots to make the tree grow. Children, trunk is the main body of the tree. The trunk is covered with bark which protects it from damage. Now, what is bark? Bark is the protective outer covering of the trunk. Branches and roots of trees and other woody plants. Branches grow from the trunk and they spread out so that the leaves can get more sunlight. The roots of the tree are usually under the ground, but not always. Some trees' roots you can even see. Example like banyan tree. Now we will study about climbers. Children, some plants that cannot stand straight, they need some support like walls, sticks, etc. to grow straight are called climbers. Example, peas and beans plant, grapevine, money plant. All these are the example of climbers. Why they are called climbers? Because they need some support like walls, stick, etc. to grow straight. Now we will study about creepers. Children, some plants with weak stems grow along the crop. They are known as creepers. And children, remember, creeper fruits are always heavy and big in size. Example, watermelon, pumpkin, muskmelon. The difference between creepers and climbers are weak stemmed plants are of climbers and they cannot grow without support. And the difference of creepers is that they spread horizontally, they crawl along the soil. So, this is the main difference. Creepers grow horizontally and climbers grow straight, but they need support. So, let's revise, children, types of plants. You have seen very big plants with hard and woody stem. These kind of plants live for many years. What are they called? I am sure, children, you all know it. Yes, They are trees. Now write the names of such plants that you have seen in your neighborhood. I am sure children you all must have seen neem tree, peepal tree, ashoka tree in your neighborhood. Now, you might have also noticed that there are some plants which are not very big and tall. They have branches growing from just above the ground. What are they called? Yes, I'm sure you all know this. They are shrubs. And can you give examples from your neighborhood? Very easy. Henna, hibiscus rose or China rose, tulsi. And children, a shrub or bush is a category of plants, and a tree usually has one stem which has some height and has branches, but a shrub can have multiple stems from the bottom up. Now, there are plants with soft and green stems. What are they called? Children, they are called herbs. You all know about herbs. Herbs are plants which do not have a permanent woody stem and whose one or all parts are used for culinary, medicinal, or wellness and spiritual purposes. Herbs are plants that are grown either as a food or to enhance the flavor of any dish or even desserts, or they have some use in treating diseases. Tell me the names of two such plants that you observe in your neighborhood. Example are grass, coriander, fenugreek, spinach. Now, grass, bamboo, banana are also herbs. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Grass, bamboo, banana are also herbs. You saw few plants which were given support. What are they called? It's very easy, children. They are called climbers because climbers are the plants which need support like walls, sticks, etc. because of their thin and weak stem. Why do they need support? Because of their thin and weak stem. And many of these climbers' stem twin round the trees also. Give names of such plants. The examples are peas, bean plant or money plant. There is another kind of plant which you must have not seen in your neighborhood. It grows along the ground. It has a green and a very weak stem. What is it called? Children, it is called creepers. As they are smaller plants that simply seems to crawl on their bellies along the ground. Do the creepers bear fruits? Yes, they bear fruits. Name any two of them. Watermelon and muskmelon are the examples of creepers. Children, here you can see the web chart of types of plants. Here you can see types of plant, trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climber. We have already done this. Trees, tall and strong plants, have stems called trunk, have branches at the top. The example of trees are Ashoka tree, peepal tree, neem tree. Shrubs. Shrubs are woody stems, have many branches that grow near the ground. So example of shrubs are rose plant, tulsi, hibiscus or China rose. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Example spinach, grass, coriander, fenugreek. Creepers. Creepers are weak stems, grow along the ground. Example of creepers are muskmelon, watermelon, and then climbers. What are climbers? Weak stems that cannot stand straight and need some support like walls or sticks. Example grape, vine, pea plant or money plant. So let's revise, children. What have we learned today? We have learned about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Big plants are called trees. Trees have strong thick woody stem called trunk. Trees live for many years. Then small bushy plants which branch at the base are called shrubs. Very small and tender plants are called herbs. Most herbs live for one season only. Climbers climb on support and creepers creep along the ground. They have heavy fruits. So I hope, children, you will remember this and you will revise. We have already done all these types of plants with examples. So just revise it, read it again. Have a nice day. Thank you.